Running for me is just part of my DNA. And I'll go out the door and I don't even know where I'm going. That's one of the things that makes me glad to be alive in a human body on the planet Earth. While I was in school, I played lacrosse. I was an All-American in high school. And after I left school, I've kind of tried to stay in shape. After I learned I had mitral valve prolapse, they explained it was a heart murmur. It turned out to not be an issue for almost my entire life until later when it started to become problematic. I went to a cardiologist and they checked out my heart, and it turned out my heart murmur had worsened. I could barely move. I couldn't wear any of my clothes to bring groceries home. I would walk up to the bottom of the stairs, stand on the bottom, swing the bags up to the third step, set them down, grab the banisters, walk up to the third step, repeat, repeat, repeat. Quality of life was incredibly diminished. And I ended up in the hospital. They diagnosed that my heart valve had failed. And they did enough work studying my heart to realize that I was a possible recipient for MitraClip device, which I had never heard of at all before. I was pretty excited about that, and this seemed like a great alternative. They've worked hard to make these things be as effective and as less invasive as possible. I was somewhat surprised when they told me that I'd be able to leave the hospital like the next day. I was kind of like, whoa, that's kind of amazing. But knowing that the procedure had transpired and had been successful from their point of view, that gave me a lot of optimism to slowly start to figure out my new life and regain my old life. Since I've had the clips installed, bit by bit, I started going out for walks. And then one of my walks, I started doing a tiny bit of jogging and just, hey, that felt okay. And so bit by bit, I started doing some running again. I was unaware of how a heart valve failure could affect my well-being. If you're feeling kind of slowing down or seem to be retaining fluid, it's definitely worth inquiring about. The MitraClips, they've kind of helping me regain all these things that I really value tremendously that make life way more fun and enjoyable for me. I wake up and I'm feeling, hey, I feel like doing more today. And that's kind of like my old self. To have that sort of wide open perspective ahead of me is so encouraging. It's really, really wonderful.